Prepare to be amazed by Tuxedo OS, a Linux distribution that's taking the tech world by storm. With its Ubuntu-Based and KDE Plasma interface, this OS is a powerhouse, offering an incredible user experience. But here's where it gets controversial. You don't need a Tuxedo-branded computer to enjoy its benefits. Tuxedo Computers, the creators of this OS, have a simple mission: to make Linux accessible to everyone. And they've achieved this with flying colors. I've had the pleasure of testing their laptops and desktops, and I must say, I was thoroughly impressed. But the real surprise came when I discovered their Linux distribution, Tuxedo OS. Tuxedo OS is built on the solid foundation of Ubuntu, one of the most popular Linux distributions. It utilizes KDE Plasma, a sleek and customizable desktop environment. While it's optimized for Tuxedo's hardware, it's not limited to it. I installed Tuxedo OS on a VirtualBox VM with 3 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores, and the results were astonishing. The installation process is a breeze, just like any other Linux distribution. Within minutes, I had Tuxedo OS up and running, a testament to its user-friendliness. Upon first login, I was greeted by a clean and intuitive KDE Plasma interface, with no major deviations from the standard experience. However, my one gripe is the default dark theme, which is a common complaint among Linux users. But fear not, KDE Plasma allows for easy customization. With a few clicks, you can switch to a light theme, and the options are endless. One of my favorites is the Say 7 and Arrow theme, which adds a beautiful glossy touch to your desktop. KDE Plasma's customization options are a dream for those who want to make their desktop their own. Now, let's delve into what makes Tuxedo OS unique. The Tuxedo Control Center and Aquaris tool are exclusive features that enhance your experience, especially if you're using a Tuxedo-branded laptop. These tools give you quick access to power profiles, power-saving options, and a handy dashboard. While they're most useful on official Tuxedo hardware, they still provide value on other systems. Tuxedo OS comes pre-installed with a wide range of applications, including Firefox, Kate, KDE Connect, Thunderbird, and more. You'll also find popular media players like VLC and Elisa, as well as LibreOffice for all your productivity needs. And if you need Samba for file sharing, it's just a click away. Tuxedo OS even supports Flatpak, allowing you to install a vast array of apps, including proprietary software like Slack and Spotify. But the real standout feature of Tuxedo OS is its exceptional performance, especially when it comes to AI capabilities. I tested it by installing Ollama and pulling the Llama 3.2 LLM, and the results were impressive. The response time was lightning fast, even when running in CPU-only mode. This is a testament to the custom Tuxedo kernel and the overall optimization of the OS. Regular apps run smoothly, updates are a breeze, and animations are seamless. Tuxedo OS delivers an exceptional user experience, regardless of the hardware it's running on. And this is the part most people miss. You don't need expensive, specialized hardware to enjoy Tuxedo OS. It's a beautiful, high-performing desktop OS that anyone can download and install. So, if you're looking for a Linux distribution that offers beauty, performance, and ease of use, Tuxedo OS is the answer. Give it a try, and you might just find your new favorite OS. And remember, the choice to embrace Tuxedo OS is yours, but the benefits are undeniable. What do you think? Is Tuxedo OS worth a shot? Let's discuss in the comments.